Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you.
Hello, lovely people. Welcome to my channel. Thank you all of you and thank you for subscribing. Today, we're going to talk about aluminum frame and window glass. Are you ready? Let's dive into the video. I am window glass fabricator. I do stainless steel balustrade, frameless, and all types of glassware. Today, we're going to talk about types of aluminum frames. We have the KS50, the Trico system, and the normal Italian window frame. But this one you are seeing in this video is the normal Italian window frame. So we're going to talk about that one first. The normal Italian window, we have the wall cover, we have the without cover. And the colors is gray, black, white, we have blue, we have so many types of colors. So it depends on the color you want. So the normal Italian window frame, this is wall cover. It flashes with a wall, and with that cover it's fitting with the wall. Normal Italian window frame, the price is low. The KS50 is expensive, the Trico system is expensive, but hey, all the fingers are not the same. Someone might go for the KS50, someone might go for the Trico, someone might go for the normal Italian window frame. But I will explain why the two frame are expensive on my next video. So please make sure you subscribe and get notification. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day. See you guys. Bye.